Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is June the 17th and the devotion is Sober and Alert. Think clearly and exercise self-control. Look forward to the gracious salvation that will come to you when Jesus Christ is revealed to the world. 1 Peter 1 verse 13. Every day we face situations where we need to exercise self-control with our family, with our friends. When faced with conviction differences with social media and maintaining healthy boundaries and time limits with work commitments and making sure we try our best. The wonderful news is that we don't have to be controlled by our own desires, whims, or strongholds. We are not weak. In fact, God has made us strong. We can be patient with our families, hold to our convictions, and develop healthy habits and boundaries. God, thank you that your power lives in me and that power gives me the ability to do what is right. Help me to remain sober and alert. Nighttime. Sometimes the pressures or expectations to have self-control can be overwhelming, especially when we are struggling with habits that are providing difficulty to break free from. We might feel like we are at the mercy of our temptations. There is no need to become frustrated with our sins. Instead, we can hold our heads high and defeat whatever habit enslaves us or temptations that entice us. Because God has given us self-control. We can take charge. We can make changes. And we can break bad habits. And the question of the day is, in what area of your life do you need to exercise more self-control? For me, one of the bad habits that I need to break is smoking, and I know that. It's very hard. I have been smoking since I was 9 years old, and I'm now 63, so it's really hard for me. Another thing is that I need self-control in is eating junk food. I try not to buy it, and then a craving will hit, and I try to, not think about it and all this, and before long, Because I'll go a day or two, with the craving. And then the next thing I know, I'm walking over to the dollar store to buy some junk food to eat. Because I can't take it anymore and I gotta have it. And that is, call it what you want. I call it self-sabotaging because I need to be stronger and not give in to the temptations. So leave me a comment and let me know what in your life do you need to take more self-control over. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share the video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys.